Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. So you guys, I'm here to do another reaction video to the group cnco. Basically, these are some photos, collages, compilation that someone recommended me to react to. So as always, I will mute the music because I will not be getting copyrighted. Oh no, not getting copyrighted. You were just not right. Ooh, which music video was that? Oh, okay, Chris. Oh. Okay, with the eyes. Okay, six pack. Erica really should go into modeling. Oh, Miami. Oh, so that's a part of Miami they live. Okay, Chris, like those glasses. Yes. I really do like those glasses. How rock star-ish. Oh. This is why he have a daughter now. Oh, good morning. In need of massage. Oh, yes, come on with a bad boy look. Oh, this was a couple years ago. Oh, Saturday looks so good. Come on, Richard. Oh, who's getting married? Oh, this was a couple years ago when it was younger. Youth. Oh, Chris went through some changes with, who is this? Oh, this was a couple years ago. Oh. Oh, look at Chris. Oh, these are some nice pictures, by the way. Oh, I like when Richard had the pink hair. Oh, I really do like those glasses. I really do like Chris' style. I like his fashion. He do love him some hat. Who's that? Chris? Oh, I like that. I like that. Come on, focus in the front. TikTok, let me see that. Oh, this looks recent. Is this when it was in Dubai? Oh, come on, Richard. Look just like his brother, right there. He looks just like his baby brother right there. Oh. Oh guys. So that was basically a photo compilation to the group cnco. As you guys can see, that was a very nice picture. I really do like it. You guys know how I feel about the Puerto Rican and the Dominican Republic. All of them look really good. They look really good. Really good. For everybody else, if you don't get the CD, please do get the CD. I really think you should buy the Deja Vu album. I think it's really great. I really do like all of them. They're very good. Within 5 years time, you can see the improvement within their voice, thank God, and their creativity and their visual, thank God, and their fashion sense, thank God. I like everything about it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. As always, who can do you besides you? I have to say that twice now.